To fit one more in, and on This Week in 1989, the Disney film The Little Mermaid was released. Well, I always like to send you to bed with a smile on your face. Oh, really? Please do not hate me for this.
Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day, out in the sun they slave away, while we devoting full time to floating under the sea. Down here on the fish is happy, as after the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy, they sad cause they in the bowl. But fish in the bowl is lucky, they in for a worse fate. One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you go beyond the pay. Oh, under the sea, under the sea. Nobody beat us, fry us, and eat us in fricassee. We what the land folks loves to cook. Under the sea, we after hook up. We got no troubles. Life is the bubbles under the sea. Under the sea. Under the sea. Since life is sweet here, we got to be here naturally. Even the sturgeon and the ray, they get the earth and start to play. We got the spirit, you got to hear it under the sea. The lute play, the flute, the cop play, the harp, the players play the bass and they sound the chop. The bass play the brass, the chub play the tub. The flute is the Duke of Soul. The way he can play the names on the strings, the chub rocking on the blackfish. He sings his belt and his sprat. They know where it's at. They know that blowfish blow. Little clown here, no heart to jam here under the sea. Each little slug here, cutting a rug here under the sea. Each little snail here, no heart to whale here. That's why it's hotter under the water. Yeah, we in love here, down in the muck here under the sea.
Hope that's put a smile on your face. Thanks for your company tonight. Thank you to my 80s stars, Jim Kerr of Simple Minds and Sean